Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alan Arif and I'm from class 3A PBI, and I will present my assignment. Relative clause extra information. What is a relative clause? A relative clause is one kind of depend clause. It has a subject and verb but can stand on as a sentence. A relative clause always begins with a relative pronoun, with subtitles for a noun parts, or a pronoun when sentences are combined. Relative pronoun introduce a relative clause. They include who for people, that and with for things, when for time, and was to show possession. Example from unit 84 and 85. The man who lives next door is very friendly. Jerry works for a company that makes tapeworms. Next, have you found the key that you lost? In this example, the relative clause tell which person or thing for what kind of person of things the speaker means. The man who lives next door tell us which man. A company that makes tapeworms tell us one kind of company. The key that you lost tell us which key. But not all relative clauses are like this. For example, Tom's father, who is 78, goes swimming every day. The house at the end of the street, which has been empty for 2 years, has just been sold. In this example, the relative clause who is 78 and which has been empty for 2 years do not tell us which person or thing the speaker means. We already know which person or thing is means Tom's father and the house at the end of the street. The relative clause in this sentence give us extra information about the person or thing. In this extra information, relative clause, you have to ask for people and which for things. You have to put commas at the beginning and at the end of the clause. This example, Mr. Yates, who has worked for the same company all his life, is retiring next month. The strike at the car factory, with less than 10 days, is now over. When the clause come at the end of the sentence, you have to put a comma. Before clause, yesterday I met John, who told me he was getting married. She looked me her address, which I wrote down on piece of paper. Remember that we ask who which instead of he, she, it, they. Last night we went to Anne's party, which we enjoy very much. Relative clause 2. Extra information. Preposition whom, or which. In extra information, you can use preposition before whom for people and which for things. Mr. Carter, to whom I spoke last night, is very interested or planned for to Nali. We had a map without which we would have gotten lost, but in spoken English we often keep the preposition after the verb in clause. When we do this, we normally use who. This is Mr. Carter, who was telling you about yesterday. We visited the National Museum. Almost of all of or most of plus whom or which. Jack, his 3 brothers, all of them are married. 2 sentence. Jack has 3 brothers, all of whom are married. 1 sentence. And has a lot of books. She has read most of them. 2 sentence. And has a lot of books, most of which she has read. 1 sentence. You can also say whom for people. None of, many of, much of, a few of, some of, any of. Which, things. Actor of, one of, 2 of. Yang she, which, not what. Which, the fact that he passed his driving test. You can use what instead of which in sentence like this. She could come to the party which has pity. The weather was very good, which had an expect. In and at clause. A clause is a part of sentence. Some clause begin with in or at. Example: do you know the woman talking to Tom? In clause. The woman injured the accident was taken by a hospital. At clause. Yang B, we ask in clause to say what someone or something is doing or was doing at particular time. Do you know woman talking to Tom? The woman is talking Tom. I was awakened by a bell ringing. The bell was ringing. You can use an in clause for permanent characteristic. The road to the joining to village is very narrow. The road joins the 2 villages. I live in a pleasant room overlooking the garden. The room like garden. At clause have a passive meaning. The man injured in the accident was taken to the hospital. The man was injured in the accident. None of the people invited to the party can come. The people have been invited to the party. Many verbs have irregular past participles that do not end at. For example, stolen, met, bought, written, bought. Example, the money stolen in the robbery was never found. The money was stolen in the robbery. Most of the goods made in this factory are asked Porter. "The goods are made in this factory. We often use ink and add clothes after there was. Is there anybody waiting to see me?" There were some children swimming in the river. When I arrived, there was a big red car parked outside the house.